Hey everybody, this is Dave with Heavy Reverb. Today I want to show you guys a little feature that I stumbled across a few years ago whilst trying to refine my processes and just trying to speed up my workflow in general. I'm always after little shortcuts and little things that'll just incrementally speed up my workflow. Now, this feature is mainly for Apple computers. If you do have a PC and you like this feature, I would go hunting for it. Now, this is a hidden feature within the Apple OS, and I think it's something everybody should use, but it's quite hidden away. So I want to show you guys how to do it. It replaces the traditional click and drag feature that all laptops have with just using your 3 fingers on the trackpad. Now, traditionally, you'd have to click and drag to select something. You've got your normal gestures using your 2 fingers. That will be scroll across or move up and down, resize if you were editing or whatever. But instead of clicking and dragging to select something, all you have to do is use your 3 fingers. This has sped up my workflow insanely because I can just select and delete, select, delete. And I'm not making much sound. My fingers aren't moving too much. I'm just using my 3 fingers to select and delete. This is what I would use it in my editing programs. If you were like in my videos, when I edit videos, all I have to do is drag the selected clip around. I don't have to click and drag. I just use my 3 fingers to just literally drag the clip wherever I want. For file management, all you have to do is hover over the file and just move it around. And that's about it. It's really easy. You can move windows around just by using your 3 fingers. And I mean, for a lot of you, you'd think, oh, that's not a feature I'd use. But you'd be surprised how many times you click and drag stuff and how much time you'd save by just using your 3 fingers to drag stuff around. Now, let me show you what this feature is because it's hidden. Normally, you'd think this feature would be in system preferences under trackpad with the normal gestures, but it's not there. So I'm going to show you guys where it is. I'll start from the beginning here. Go up to the Apple logo, go to System Preferences, go to Accessibility, scroll down to Mouse Trackpad, Trackpad Options, and it's right there. Enable dragging using 3 fingers, and you press OK, and that feature is enabled. As easy as that. I mean, you can always enable it and not use it, but just having that option is, I think, something that everybody should have. So that's it. Hopefully that's helpful to you guys. Hopefully you'd find some value in that. Until next time, have a good one. See you guys.